Ever tried to make a payment with your Monzo card only to see that dreaded declined message pop up? Frustrating, right? You're not alone. In this video, we're diving deep into the mysterious world of Monzo declines. We'll uncover the most common reasons why your Monzo card might get rejected and what you can do to prevent it from happening again. Monzo is a popular digital bank known for its innovative features and user-friendly interface. But even the best systems can sometimes encounter hiccups. Declines can happen for a variety of reasons, from simple technical glitches to more serious issues. Understanding the reasons behind these declines is crucial, not only to avoid frustrating situations, but also to ensure the security of your funds. 1. Insufficient funds. The most obvious reason for a declined transaction is insufficient funds in your Monzo account. This seems straightforward, but it's worth noting that Monzo operates in real time. If you've recently made a large withdrawal or a series of smaller transactions, your available balance might not reflect the immediate impact on your account. Pro tip: regularly check your Monzo app to monitor your spending and avoid unexpected declines. 2. Spending limits. Monzo allows you to set daily and monthly spending limits to help you budget effectively. If you exceed these limits, your transactions may be automatically declined. This is a security measure to prevent unauthorized spending in case your card is lost or stolen. Pro tip: review and adjust your spending limits regularly to match your spending habits. 3. Card issues. A damaged or deactivated card can also lead to declines. If your card is physically damaged, such as bent or cracked, it might not be able to be read by the card reader. If your card has been reported lost or stolen, it will be automatically deactivated to prevent fraudulent activity. In this case, you'll need to order a replacement card through the Monzo app. 4. Suspicious activity. Monzo employs sophisticated fraud detection systems to monitor your transactions for any unusual patterns. If the system detects suspicious activity, such as high-value transactions in unfamiliar locations or multiple transactions in a short period, it may flag your card and decline future transactions as a precautionary measure. Pro tip: regularly review your transaction history in the Monzo app to identify any unauthorized activity. 5. Technical glitches. Sometimes, declines can be attributed to temporary technical issues, such as network connectivity problems or issues with the merchant's payment processor. These glitches are usually resolved quickly. Pro tip: if you suspect a technical glitch, try the transaction again after a few minutes. If the issue persists, contact Monzo customer support for assistance. 6. Merchant issues. Occasionally, declines may occur due to issues on the merchant's end. This could include problems with their card reader, insufficient funds in their merchant account, or issues with their payment processor. Pro tip: if you suspect a merchant issue, try using a different payment method or contact the merchant directly to inquire about the issue. 7. International transactions. When making international transactions, you might encounter declines due to foreign transaction fees or currency conversion rates. Some merchants in certain countries may also be hesitant to accept foreign cards. Pro tip: check with Monzo regarding any applicable fees or exchange rates for international transactions. Consider using a travel card specifically designed for international travel. 8. Security holds. When making large purchases, such as hotel bookings or car rentals, a security hold might be placed on your account. This is a temporary hold of funds to cover potential costs, such as damages or late fees. While the funds are held, your available balance may be temporarily reduced, potentially leading to declines for other transactions. Pro tip: be aware of potential security holds when making large purchases and plan your spending accordingly. 9. Contacting Monzo support. If you're experiencing frequent declines or are unsure of the reason for a declined transaction, the best course of action is to contact Monzo customer support. They can investigate the issue and provide you with personalized assistance. Declines can be frustrating, but understanding the common reasons behind them can help you avoid them in the future. By monitoring your spending, reviewing your transaction history, and contacting Monzo support when needed, you can ensure a smooth and secure banking experience with Monzo. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.